Getting to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Yeah. You're going to keep your palms here and you're going to step back. Yeah. 3 to 4.5 or 5 feet, depending upon the height of the legs. Now, you need to work here. See, ideally the knees are straight, shift away to the back leg more. Make sure every little part of your palm is on the ground. Usually it lifts up like this. Yeah, you want to keep it properly grounded. The base of your index finger pressed down. Yeah. See, it's okay if your knee is, it's not needed your knees to be straight. You can just slightly soften it, but lengthen your lower back, lengthen your spine. Just raise it up and root it down if it's available. Throughout, you're going to pull your stomach in and pull your pelvic floor up. Deep breathing. Some of the common mistakes that happens is, it's like surrounded like this. Yeah, and people try to make it straight and it just goes in. You want to take this in, yeah, and sometimes it's hyper extended, like the chest goes way too much down. So you want to keep it like normal. Your hands and your trunk, they're in one line, remember that. Yeah, just keep normal breathing happening. Then we do Adho Mukha Virasana. Just here, see the palms did not move at all, the distance did not change at all. So this is your Adho Mukha Virasana. Yeah, there is enough distance, like almost elbow, one forearm wide distance is there. And your middle back nicely, your chest, below the chest, upper abdomen goes down nicely. Now another mistake that sometimes happens here is it's like way too much. And then it's like the hands are here like that. So just don't round. Knees apart and just rest it down completely. That's Adho Mukha Svanasana and Adho Mukha Virasana.